Hey, good morning. This is Tom Espinosa, Hydro Pressure Washing. Hey, today we're washing a parking structure, Los Angeles, California, called the Alta Lofts. This is a 5-story parking structure that we're washing today. Doing a surface cleaning, degrease, and oil stain removal. So if you're a commercial property owner, you work for a property management company, or you're a store owner and just need your surfaces clean, give me a call. Ask for Tom Espinosa, 562-264-9964. Catch us out at www.hydropressurewashing.com, 877-992-2777. My extension is 101. If you have surface cleaning or degreasing, or you own a parking structure like this and you need it clean, give us a call.